How to get colored contacts to change your eye color. While there is sadly no magic way to change your eye color, colored contacts are the next best thing. Whether you want to achieve a natural-looking color for daily use or you want to spice up your Halloween costume with crazy cat eyes, this video will help get you started. Step 1. Keep your lenses clean. Always wash and dry your hands before handling your contact lenses and keep your fingernails short to avoid scratching your eye when inserting them. Step 2. Insert your contact lenses before applying makeup. Similarly, you should remove the lenses before washing off your makeup. This will avoid getting any makeup on your lenses. Step 3. Don't share your contact lenses with others. Doing so can spread infections or particles from one eye to the other. Step 4. Clean and change your lenses regularly. Be sure to follow the instructions that have been given to you by your optometrist. Also, make sure that you use fresh solution every time you store your contact lenses. Never reuse your solution. Step 5. Store your lenses in the proper case. Cases should be changed every 3 months. Step 6. Limit wearing your contacts to the length of time your eye care professional has recommended. Overuse can cause damage to the eye over time. Step 7. Make sure you don't insert your lenses inside out. Doing so won't damage your eyes, but it may be uncomfortable. 9. To make sure you are inserting it the right way, hold the contact lens on your finger and view it from the side to see which way it folds. If the top edge of the lens flares out, then it is inside out. Step 8. Be sure to take out your lenses before you go to sleep. Sleeping with contact lenses in your eye may cause irritation and dryness. Step 9. Remove the lenses if you experience pain or irritation. If you experience eye redness, stinging, burning, or pain, this is a sign that something is wrong. Remove your lenses and stop using your contacts until you have talked to your optometrist. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.